Hi, I'm Madeline Bird and I'm a level 5 student studying a BA Honours in English here at Doncaster University Centre. Um, I'm currently project managing a creative writing competition called Inside Out, and I'd like to personally invite you all to participate. Um, the competition opens on the 19th of March. It's open to all staff and students. To enter, all you need to do is write in any genre, whether it be short fiction, narrative, poetry, lyrics for the next number one song, whatever you want. It's to get what's inside your head and out onto paper to give yourself some brief relief. Um, if you consent to, your work will be exposed to a broader audience. For instance, it will be in my peers' newsletter. Kelly White, she is the project manager of that, and she is also a level 5 student on the English programme. I have two judges. They are Craig Hallam and Mike Fairclough. They will be judging blind, so they won't know who has written what. And they'll be picking 3 winners, so there are some prizes. They are yet to be confirmed. However, I can confirm that there is a cash prize, and so in first place the winner will receive £150, the second place will receive £100, and third place will receive £50. So what are you waiting for? Get creative, get writing, and get entering. I shall be sending out a generic email with all the details of where to send it, the consent form, and things like that. So look out for that. Now I shall hand you over to the judges so they can introduce themselves, and I look forward to seeing your entries. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Craig Hallam and I'm a Learning Resources Assistant at Doncaster College Library. In my spare time, I also write books. Over the last 10 years, I've written novels, short stories and poetry that's been published all over the place in genres such as horror, sci-fi, gothic fantasy, steampunk, you name it, I've had a go. Last year, I was lucky enough to get an international bestseller with my first non-fiction work on living with depression called Down Days. Now, this year, my most important job is helping with the writing competition. So I'm going to be helping out with reading your poetry and prose and lyrics, whatever you guys can come up with, and finding the winner. Now, for whoever wins, I'm going to be donating a copy of Down Days, which I'll sign as well. But mostly, I'm just excited to read what you've got. I know you're all going to do great, but I just wanted to wish you luck and say that I will see you all soon.
Hi, my name's Mike Fairclough. I'm the head teacher of West Rise Junior School in Eastbourne, the school famous for its outdoor learning projects, taking its children shooting, having a herd of water buffalo and various other kind of crazy projects. I'm also the author of 2 books. One's called Playing with Fire, which is about my educational philosophy, and there's a second, more recent book called Wild Thing, and that's about adults embracing childhood traits like playfulness, imagination, risk-taking, that kind of thing. I'm really looking forward to reading your writing, and I feel very proud and honoured to be a judge. The winner will receive from me a signed copy of Wild Thing, and I'd also like to invite you to have a tour of my 120 acres of land on the back of my quad bike to visit the buffalo, visit the bees, maybe shoot a couple of guns, something like that. So yeah, really looking forward to reading your writing, really looking forward to meeting you.